Hey, what's happening, Sherry 4x4? Mike Sherry back here today showing off this 2022 Jeep Gladiator in the bright white, black accenting. One of my favorite color combination. White just looks clean. This is an SEA Performance Black Widow edition, which gives you the customization of this Jeep Gladiator. You can tell it doesn't look like the Jeep Gladiator at your local dealer, right? We offer nationwide financing, nationwide service on these, and we have ability to either pick you up at the airport or connect you with a transportation company that can deliver these to your door. So pretty slick product. I'm going to go over the changes on this and what makes this unique. We here at Sherry 4x4 are your factory direct pricing on lifted products from SCA, Rocky Ridge, Sherrod, Waldock, and more. All these companies partner with Ram and Jeep in this scenario to offer a awesome factory-like but custom product. It's going to be headache free. All right, let's take a look here. So starting up top here, it's got the Black Widow Spider. That's the emblem there for SCA Black Widow. Also has the optional Mopar Corning Gorilla Glass. That glass, what that is, it's really strong. It's a multiplier strong than the factory glass that it comes standard with, and that's nice having that on that flat windshield. That, you know, does get rock chips and stuff because it's flat. Got the simulated vented hood there. Got the Mopar black grill insert, and then has your stubby bumper up here. So this is a steel stubby bumper, powder coated, and it looks awesome. So stubby bumper it's shorter than your factory bumper. That allows for wheel exposure, and that also allows for that wheel to drive over an obstacle when you're off-roading instead of the bumper bumping into it. Got 20-inch LED light bar behind here, accent painted toe spots, and then this acts as a big front protector here for all your suspension and all that front skid plate. There's the word. So notice the coil springs and linkages are in that bright white as well. Kind of the cool stuff SCA does here. And then it's got two steering stabilizers, not just one, but two. So that's going to allow this Jeep to perform really good. It's got that solid axle up there. So if you don't got steering stabilizers on it, you know, you'll really have a unique ride. So a lot of lift companies don't do that, or maybe just put one. SCA does too. 20-inch custom 4-play wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich. These are the KM3. Let me back up here. That's a big wheel and tire. These are the KM3 tire set, which is the mud terrain edition from BF Goodrich, which is really the primo tire name out there in this world. What you're going to get a lot of sidewall tread, super aggressive road or trail tread there, and I've drove these many times. Really nice on the road, but awesome off-road. You got your Black Widow Spider here. It's got running boards on it. Those are upgraded from SCA. Helps you get in with this. I don't think I even mentioned, it's got a 3-inch suspension lift. It's Monday. I don't know if you can tell. But we got our Black Widow in here. So we got our stainless steel running boards here. Stainless steel for a couple purposes. One, they're not going to rust out on you in the stainless steel. Two, for the strength. They're super strong, and we're not saying you're overweight and you're going to bend them getting in and out, but they're super strong for the purpose of protecting this under the door area when off-roading. So imagine a big boulder right here. It's going to protect that underneath the doors. So they've upgraded the seats here to a leather seating with a really awesome stitch pattern in here. This is the first I've seen of this kind. I really like it. I like that it's white, like that it accents the outside and the inside paint work in here. Get your sound bar up top there. All that looks good. Now in here, this is your bag. This has got the 3-piece hard top, so the 2 front pieces you can take off and put in that bag so they don't get all scratched up. And the back piece, you got to leave in your garage. It's too big. Got your Fox Series shocks. So Fox is actually the parent company of SCA. And they design the lift and the shocks and a lot of other components that are only available if you buy the SCA product. So you can't buy them one-off. You can't, try to do it yourself. And what that creates is they're able to create a lifted and custom vehicle that no one else can, that can perform in ways that no one else can perform. None of the others can perform. Black Widow, Jeep, Got your tow hook back here. These are capable to tow quite a bit of weight too. You got your 2-inch receiver, 4-pin and 7-pin back there. Backup camera, I think I mentioned that. And then here, I like this. I'm starting to see more and more spray and bed liners. I like that. I don't think I'd ever own a truck without a spray and bed liner. Just keeps everything nice and looking good. It's also slip resistant, so there's a safety factor there. I don't know if you've ever been in a truck bed that's wet. You could fall down and knock your head pretty easy. But I love the versatility, the customization of this truck. You know, really cool truck. Financing is available as well. We work with over 20 lenders, so if you want to see what the best rate and term is out there, chances are we're going to be able to find it for you and do it in a fraction of the time that it'd take you to shop around at 20 banks to do that. So if you also want to see just if you qualify, we have capabilities of that too. We work with a number of lenders that can help in that area as well. So notice the white dash, all that's been painted by SCA. Really looks cool. I love the white because it really brightens up this interior, which a lot of new cars nowadays are just black, like everywhere, right? And I like that white to brighten it up. Got 30 miles on it. Again, full warranty from Jeep, and then a 3 or 36,000 mile warranty on everything SCA's done. Got your big radio here, backup camera. I just put it in reverse. And look at that, you can zoom down in where the ball's gonna be. AM, FM, Sirius XM, we've got navigation, it's got heated seats, steering wheel, all that. Buttons down here for heat and air, radio, window, power, spot to plug in your phone, spot for your phone, then you got 4 auxiliary buttons here. These are where you can add different lights and stuff to the outside. It's pretty cool, having the clean factory buttons. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive selector, your transfer case is the technical term for it. We've got automatic start, Mike, remote start, there we go. Remote start on the keyless entry. Steering wheel, again, leather wrap and heated. Cruise control, hands-free connectivity, automatic headlights. You know, Jeeps for a while have been known to be kind of minimalistic on their features, but anymore, if you haven't been in a Jeep in the last say 3 to 4 years, you gotta go drive one. They've got all the modern features and still got all the cool factor of the Jeep with it. So just a great product, and these lifted SCA Black Widows are one of my favorites. They're a cool ride, and if you're looking for something cool for your driveway, for your garage, for your daily driver, what I always say in one of these is you can never have a bad day driving one of these. It's just cool. It looks cool, and it's just a nice, fun ride to ride. So life's too short to drive a boring ride. Take care, everyone. If you need any information on this, feel free to contact us. As always, shop our website for current pricing and availability. Take care.